Otis Processing Settings, Star System. Click to enter the scanning mode. Click MUDI. Set process parameters according to the specifications provided by the accessory supplier. Select the appropriate tool according to the accessory process requirements. Set the head and tail reserved parameters according to the machining process. Select whether to process the center equal dividing groove according to the machining process. Processing. Application.